Alright guys, today's video is about the chickens and ducks having this banana. I think that's some carrots and lettuce. Alright, let's do this. Oh girls, do you hear it? Come get it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go put it in their silver bowl. Oh, the ducks are out here for it too now. Look at that. I got their bowl. Boom. Bam, bada bada, boom. Look at all of that delicious, healthy stuff for the birds. Oh yeah, they're gonna love this. Look at them, they're all crowding around. They're gonna love this. You want it? You want it? All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. I'm gonna peel that banana for them. Don't get over here. Here's a peeled banana. There you go. Oh, Polly, come get it. Oh yeah, jump for it. Jump. Jump high. Higher. Jump. You're too tall. What just flung? What just flung? My gosh. You want it? It's up here. Up. Munching on that. Oh yeah. You want it? Take a jump. Oh yeah. No, you're too tall. Jump. You gotta be athletic. Yeah, like that. Puffin, you want any? I'll give you a freebie. No? Alright. Thanks for watching. Bye.